Hi, today I'm start doing L Adam Speed and L Rock. Tonight 8:30 I have a train. I start my new vlog. Can you subscribe and support for me? This is third class ticket and first class is 1,500. Okay, we try to enjoy. Platform number 3 is the Badula train coming 8:30 p.m. and the morning we just start walking. The Colombo Kotua railway station in Sri Lanka. Platform number 3. This was second class. People was running. Now 8:30 p.m. We just move around. Just now moving the train. So see you in the morning, guys. I just land here, very cold, too much cold here, many people are here. Ooh la 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 la. We get a room today here. They are not allowed to take outside, so we just taking from here. 9 art nearby. This place is so beautiful. After 10 minutes I will reach there.